morning. This is Sarita, lecturer in mathematics, JVR Government Degree College, Sattupalli, Khammam district. In previous class, we discussed about maxima and minima. We repeat once those conditions. We know that first thing, what is that? A is equal to dou square u by dou x square. If we take a function f, that will be what happened, dou square f by dou x square, that is a, and b is dou square f by dou x dou y, and c is equal to dou square f by dou y square. After finding the values a, b, c, we have to calculate ac minus b square. So if the condition here, three cases arise here. First case is AC minus B square is greater than 0. If it is AC minus B square greater than 0, and then that function has extreme values. Extreme values means we know that maxima or minima. Here in this case, what is that condition? AC minus B square greater than 0. Here A is either positive or negative, for that that is maxima or minima. In case 2, that is AC minus B square less than 0. If it is AC minus B square is less than 0, then that function has not extreme values. And also one more case is, that is AC minus B square is equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, the value it is doubtful. And that means we can't say anything there. It wants some more considerations. So here we see some examples on maxima and minima. Now we take a problem. Here we see the question. Discuss the maximum or minimum values of u is equal to x cube y square into 1 minus x minus y. Here they ask where the values or has where the function has maximum value, and where it has a minimum value. They ask the to find the maximum minimum values. Here they given the function, what is it, x cube into y square of 1 minus x minus y. First we have to solve this thing. First we take a given function, what is that, u is equal to x cube y square of 1 minus x minus y. If it is multiplied with x cube y square into 1, that will be x cube y square, minus x into x cube, that will be x power 4 y square, minus y square into y, that will be y cube. So x cube y cube we get. So the function u is equal to x cube y square minus x power 4 y square minus x cube y cube. First we discuss about the total problem once. After that we see this thing. Okay, first the given function u is that first we have to do partial differentiation with respect to x and with respect to y. And also we know that we take fx of a comma b is equal 0 and fy of a comma b is equal 0. That means here they given the function u. So here we take dou u by dou x is equal 0 and dou u by dou y is equal to 0, and solve these things. We finally got the values x and y. Some points are have, and that means either x0 x0, either anything. So here we have points. For that points we have to do the calculations of a, b, c, and also we calculate ac minus b square. So first of all we have to calculate dou u by dou x is equal 0 and dou u by dou y is equal 0. Here we have some equations. We solve these equations, we get the points x and y. After that we do the partial differentiation with respect to x. That means we want to calculate dou square u by dou x square, and also dou square u by dou x dou y, dou square u by dou y square. So first we have to calculate these three things. These are nothing but a, b, c. What is that? A is equal to dou square u by dou x square, and B is equal to dou square u by dou x dou y, and C is equal to dou square u by dou y square. So here first we calculate A, B, C. After that we calculate AC minus B square value at the point what is that what we have x and y. Just to substitute those values in AC minus B square. If it is either greater than 0, it must have a maximum or minimum value. If it is less than 0, it is not having extreme values. In this problem we take that simplification, then AC minus B square is greater than 0, and also here in this problem A will be negative. So A will be negative means it has a maximum value at that point. Now we see this problem. First we take the function u is equal to x cube y square minus x power 4 y square minus x square y cube. Now we do the partial differentiation u with respect to x. Then dou u by dou x is equal to, here x cube differentiation is 3x square. So we write here 3x square y square, and minus x power 4 differentiation will be 4x cube. So 4x cube y square is the constant. Why? Because here doing the partial differentiation with respect to x. So here y is constant. Here in the third term, x cube, that will be differentiated, then 3x square. So 3x square y cube. So dou u by dou x is equal to what? 3x square y square minus 4x cube y square minus 3x square y cube. Now we do the partial differentiation u with respect to y. Then we get dou u by dou y. That means here x is the constant. So here put x cube as it is, then y square will be 2y. Why? Because differentiation of y square is 2y. So first term will be, we will get 2x cube y square minus, here x power 4 is the constant, y square differentiation is 2y. So we get 2x power 4 y square minus x cube is constant. X cube is constant. Here y cube, that will be 3y square. So here we something here 3, it is this is not what is that? 3x cube y square. 3x cube y square. So dou u by dou y is equal to 2x cube y minus 2x power 4y minus 3x cube y square. Now we take that what is that? Now we take dou u by dou x equal 0, and also dou u by dou y equal to 0. We get the dou u by dou x value. What is that? 3x square y 3x square y square minus 4x cube y square minus 3x square y cube is equal to 0. And if we simplify this thing, after we will see dou u by dou y. Now we see about dou u by dou x equals 0. In this what happened here, each and every term having x square and y square. So we take common x square y square, then x square y square of we will get in the first term 3 minus here in the second term x cube will be have. So here we take the constant x square, so it will be remain x. So 4 minus 4x is remaining, and x square y square common, take as common, then third term will be minus 3y. So here if it is x square y square equal to 0, or 3 minus 4x minus 3y is equal to 0. Just we take it as equation 1. Now if we see x square y square equal to 0, that means what happened here? X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Now we see about dou u by dou y equal to 0. Already we have dou u by dou y value, that is 2x cube y minus 2x power 4y minus 3x cube y square equal to 0. In this x cube and y are common all the three terms. So here we take common, x cube y is taking as common, then we get a 2 minus 2x minus 3y of is equal to 0. Here we take the value x cube y equal 0 and 2 minus 2x minus 3y equal to 0. We give the equation 2 minus 2x minus 3y equal 0. Take it as 2. From this x cube y equal to 0, we know that x equal 0 and y is equal to 0. And now we using these two equations, we have to find the x and y. We use these equations, solving these equations. For that, first if we see these things, minus 3y minus 3y, it will be cancel either if it is either cancel x terms or y terms, anything. Here I do that x terms cancel. So for that, what we do here, multiply with the 2 equation 2 with the 2, then we get a 4x. So here we get the equations 3 minus 4x minus 3y is equal to 0. 4 minus 4x minus 6y is equal to 0. Here 4x will be cancelled. First the signs are changed. Why? Because they both are having same signs, so we change the signs. Then what happened here, 3 minus 4, that will be minus 1. Minus 4x plus 4x will be cancelled here. Minus 3y plus 6y, that will be plus 3y equal to 0. So here we have a minus 1 plus 3y is equal to 0. 3y is equal to 1. So that implies y is equal to 1 by 3. Using this value y in equation anything, either 1 or 2, here I am using equation 1. Substitute this y value in the equation 1. Then what happened here, 3 minus 4x in minus 3 into 1 by 3 is equal 0. 3 get cancelled here. So 3 minus 1, that will be 2. So 2 minus 4x is equal 0. So 2 is equal 4x raskochu. X is equal, what happened, 4 will be come in denominator. So it will be 1 by 2. So here we have x is equal 1 by 2. In previous, y is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, this is the values of x and y. X is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. Using these values, after we finding the a, b, c, so first now we calculate a, b, c. That means a and a, dou square u by dou x square. So for that we do the partial differentiation of dou u by dou x. We do the partial differentiation dou u by dou x with respect to x. So here in the first we have dou u by dou x is equal to, what is that, 3x square y square minus 4x cube y square minus 3x square y cube. So here we substitute this thing here. What we write here, a is equal to dou square u by dou x square. That means dou by dou x of dou u by dou x value is 3x square y square minus 4x cube y minus 3x square y cube. Partial differentiation with respect to x. So here y is the constant, 3 is also constant in the first term. So 3 and y square is constant. So x square, that will be differentiation 2x. So 3 into 2, that will be 6x. So here what we do here, partial differentiation with respect to x. So for that now we see this differentiation dou by dou x of we see this thing. Here y square is constant, 3 is constant. So we get what is that, 3 into 2x into y square. So this will be 6x y square. And if we do the second term, that will be 4y is the constant. So 4 into y put at a constant, x cube, that will be 3x square. Differentiation will be 3x square. So 4 into 3, that will be 12. So 12x square y of c. Next 3x square y cube. So here 3y cube is constant. X square will be 2x. That means here the last term that will be minus 3 into 2, that will be 6. 6 into x y cube. So 6x y cube. So here what happened, dou square u by dou x square is equal to 6x y square minus 12x square y square minus 6x y cube. So here we do the partial differentiation with respect to a, what is that, dou square u by dou x dou y. We have to calculate the value of b. B means what? Dou square u by dou x dou y. So that is nothing but dou by dou x of dou u by dou y. So here dou u by dou y value, we know that thing. What is that? 2x cube y minus 2x power 4 y minus 3x cube y square. If we differentiate with respect to x, that will be what happen here, 2x cube y, that will be 2 into x cube. X cube means that is 3x square into y minus 2x power 4 into y. 2 into x power differentiation is 4x cube into y. Next minus 3 into x cube differentiation is 3x square into y square. So here what happened, this is equal to 2 into 3 6. So 6x square y minus 2 into 4 8, 8x cube y minus 3 into 3 9, 9x square y square. This is the value of b. This is the value of b. Now we have to calculate c value, that is nothing but dou square u by dou y square. Here already we have dou u by dou y here, that is 2x cube y minus 2x power 4y minus 3x cube y square. We write here dou by dou y of 2x cube y minus 2x power 4y minus 3x cube y square. Here we do the partial differentiation with respect to y. So here what happened here, 2x cube, that will be constant. So here y will be 1. If here also y differentiation is 1 and y square differentiation is 2y. So y square differentiation is 2y. Already we have here 3x cube. So 3x cube into 2y, that will be 6x cube into y. In this what happened here, this will be 2x cube and minus 2x power 4 minus 6x cube y. So here we got the values a, b and c. Now if we see the a value, what is that? 6xy square minus 12x square y square minus 6xy cube, and b is 6x square y minus 8x cube y minus 9x square y square, and c is 2x cube minus 2x power 4 minus 6x cube y. If we see the values of a, b, c, all the a, b, c are having x and y terms. There is no constant terms. Now we take substitute x equals 0 and y equal 0 in a, b, c. All the a, b, c are having x, y. So if we substitute x equals 0 and y equals 0 in 3 in these a, b, c, then finally we got what? A equals 0 and b is equal 0, c is equal 0. Why? Because there is no having any constant here. All the terms having in terms of x and y. If we substitute x equal 0 and y equal to 0, those values will get 0. So here we write what is that? If we substitute x equals 0, y equals 0 in a, b, c, then what happened here? A equals 0, b is equal 0 and c is equal to 0. Now if we see some what is that, we get the values of what is that? X is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3 in previous. So here we substitute x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3 in A, B, C. Already we have A, B, C. Here we know that A is equal to what? 6x y square minus 12x square y square minus 6xy cube. So here in this we substitute x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. For that, what happened here? Here if we see this thing, substitute x is equal to 1 by 2 comma y is equal to 1 by 3. Then here a is this one. So a is equal to what happened here? 6 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 whole square minus 12 into 1 by 2 whole square into 1 by 3 whole square minus 6 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 whole cube. This is about A. Here 2 1s 2 3s cancel cheyochu. Here we have square, so single term cancel avutadi. So here we get only 1 by 3 in first term. If we see this thing here, 2 square that will be 4. So here we cancel 4 3s are 12. Here we have square, so square ki 3 ki cancel aithe only we get 3. So here we get only 1 by 3 in the second term. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి 2 3s 6, ఇక్కడ 3 క్యూబ్ ఉంది. సో ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి 3 స్క్వేర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఒక 3ని క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే 1 by 3 స్క్వేర్ ఉంటుంది. దట్ విల్ బి 1 by 9 అవుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏముంది అంటే 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 నెక్స్ట్ minus 1 by 9. If we see this thing, this is the plus term, this is the minus term, both are cancelled. So finally we got a is equal to minus 1 by 9. Here we got a is equal to minus 1 by 9. Just remind it. Now we calculate the value of b. We calculate the value of b. So here b is equal to what happened here? 6 into x square, that means 1 by 2 whole square into 1 by y, that means 1 by 3 minus 8 into x cube. X cube అంటే ఏంటిది? 1 by 2 cube into 1 by 3. Next minus 9 into x square y square, that means here 1 by 2 square into 1 by 3 square. If we see this thing, what happened here? 3 is 1 here, 3 2s cancel చేయొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ 2 స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఒక స్క్వేర్కి ఒక 2కి క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ 2 క్యూబ్ మీన్స్ 8 అవుతుంది. 8కి 8 క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి మిగిలేది ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ 1 by 2 మిగిలిద్ది. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి 1 by 3 మిగులుతుంది. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి 1 by 3 స్క్వేర్కి ఇక్కడ 9కి క్యాన్సిల్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఇక్కడ 1 by 4 మిగిలిద్ది. సో ఇక్కడ b ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏమొచ్చింది ఇప్పుడు? ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్లో వచ్చేసరికి 1 by 2 ఉంది. సెకండ్ టర్మ్లో వచ్చేసరికి 1 by 3 ఉంది. తర్వాత థర్డ్ టర్మ్లోకి వచ్చేసరికి ఏముంది? -1 by 4 ఉంది. సో -1 by 4 ఉంది. ఇది సింప్లిఫికేషన్ అనేది ఏ టైప్లో అయినా చేయొచ్చు. ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ఎల్సిఎం తీసినట్టయితే ఏంటి? బీజీ ఎల్సిఎం తీస్తే 2 3 4 3 12 తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఎల్సిఎం 12 తీసుకుంటే ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి 6 మైనస్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి ఆల్రెడీ 3 ఉంది. సో ఇక్కడ రాసుకోవాల్సింది 4 -3. సో ఇక్కడ -4 -3 -7 అవుతుంది. -7 + 6 ఎంత అవుతుంది అంటే -1 అవుతుంది by 12. ఇది b యొక్క వాల్యూ. ఓకే, ఆల్రెడీ వీ హ్యావ్ a is equal to -1 by 9 and b is equal to -1 by 12. Now we see about the value of c. C is equal to here 2x cube. 2x cube means what? 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube. Next thing, 2c is equal to 2x cube minus 2x power 4 అంతే. సో ఇది లేదు. minus 2 into x power 4, that means 1 by 2 whole power 4 minus 6 into x cube. X cube means what here? 1 by 2 whole cube into 1/3. సో ఇక్కడ 3 ఈజ్ 2 క్యాన్సిల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ ఒక 2 క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తా అంటే ఇక్కడ స్క్వేర్ రాసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. అంటే 1/2 స్క్వేర్. ఇక్కడ ఏముందంటే 1/4 ఈ లాస్ట్ టర్మ్. అదేవిధంగా ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి ఒక 2ని క్యాన్సిల్ చేసుకుందాం అనుకుంటే 1/4 వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ క్యూబ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి 2 స్క్వేర్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ 2/4 ఉంది. 2/4 అంటే ఇక్కడ ఒకటి క్యాన్సిల్ చేసుకుంటే 2 క్యూబ్ ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ 2ని క్యాన్సిల్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు అంటే 1/8 రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ 1/4 ప్లస్ మైనస్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి సి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏంటిది అంటే -1/8. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఏబిసి వాల్యూస్ వచ్చినాయి. ఒక్కసారి చూసినట్టయితే ఇక్కడ చూడండి, సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1/2, y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1/3, x is equal to 1/2, y is equal to 1/3. In ABC, what happened here? The simplification is already seen in previous. So, 6 into 1/2 into 1/3 whole square minus 12 into 1/2 whole square into 1/3 whole square minus 6 into 1/2 into 1/3 whole cube. Okay, if we simplify this, finally we got A is equal to -1/9 and B is equal to what we get? -1/12 and C is equal to we got -1/8. So -1/8. So therefore we have A is equal, B is equal and C is equal to. Now we take the AC minus B square. AC minus B square. We substitute these values. A ante -1/9, C ante -1/8, minus B square means -1/12 whole square. So that will be what happened, minus into minus, that will be plus 8 9s 72. So 1/72 minus 12 square. 12 square is nothing but 144. So here 1/72 minus 1/144. So this is equal to if we do the take the LCM, that will be 72 into 144 రాసుకోవచ్చు. అయితే 72 and 144 రాసుకుంటే 2 - 1 రాసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. సరే, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి 144 - 72, that will be 72. 72 get cancelled. So finally we got 1/144. If we see this thing, this is not a minus value, so that must be positive, that will be greater than 0. Just see that AC minus B square value will be 1/144. There is no minus, so that is not a negative, it will be a positive. So this is a greater than 0. So already we have A is equal to what? -1/9. So that means we says that A is negative and AC minus B square is greater than 0. So we says that what? It has a maximum at where it is maximum at x is equal to 1/2 and y is equal to 1/3. Why? Because A is equal to -1/9, that is a negative value. If it is A is negative, it has maximum. So here we get the maximum value at the point x is equal to 1/2 and y is equal to 1/3. This is about maximum minimum value finding. Now we see one more problem here. The question is, find the extreme value of 2 into x minus y whole square minus x power 4 minus y power 4. Here we see this thing, the given function, that is in terms of x comma y. So we write f of x comma y is equal to 2 into x minus y whole square minus x power 4 y power 4. Now we do the partial differentiation with respect to x. That will be, we write as fx of x comma y. That will be what happen here. If we take x minus y whole square, that will be take as x square. That differentiation will be what happened to x. So here we write 2 into x minus y. Already we have 2 into 2, that will be 4. So we get 4 into x minus y minus x power 4 differentiation is 4x cube. So y power 4 differentiation is 0. Why? Because here we do the partial differentiation. Here y is the constant here. So we got fx of x comma y equal to 4 into x minus y minus 4x cube. Now we do the partial differentiation with respect to y. Then fy of x comma y is equal to, here we do the partial differentiation with respect to y. So here x minus y whole square, that will be 2 into x minus y. If we do the differentiation of x minus y, that will be minus 1. Already we have 2 into 2 4, minus 4 into x minus y. Here x power 4, that will be 0. Here no term will be in y. So y power 4 differentiation is 4y cube. So fy is equal to what? Minus 4 into x minus y minus 4y cube. If we do the partial differentiation fx with respect to x, that means we get fx square of x comma y, that will be, if we do the partial differentiation of x minus y, that will be x differentiation 1 and y is 0. So here 4 into 1, that will be 4. And x cube differentiation is 3x square. So 4 into 3, 12. So 12x square. So we got fx square is equal to 4 minus 12x square. Now we do the partial differentiation fy with respect to x, then what happened here? X will be 1, y will be 0. So already we have minus 4 into x means 1. So minus 4 into 1, that will be minus 4. And next terms minus 4y cube, it doesn't have x terms. So minus 4y cube is constant, so that will be 0. So fxy is equal to what? Minus 4. Now we calculate, we do the partial differentiate fy with respect to y, that is fy square. So fy square is equal to what happened here? Minus 4 into x minus y ni differentiate chesthe minus 4 into minus 1 ostadi. So minus into minus, it will be plus 4. Next y cube differentiation is 3y square. 4 into 3y square will be 12y square. So fy square is equal to 4 minus 12y square. Now if we take the conditions, what is that? Fx is equal 0 and fy is equal 0. Here we have fx, what is that? 4 into x minus y minus 4x cube, and minus 4 into x minus y minus 4y cube equal to 0. We take these both equal to 0. Then if we adding these two, if we see the first term, that will be in equation 1, 4 into x minus y and minus 4 into x minus y. If we adding this, both are get cancelled. So finally we have only minus 4x cube minus 4y cube is equal 0. If we take minus common, minus 4 into what we write here, x cube plus y cube is equal to 0. We know the formula. What is that? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This is the formula for. So we write x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy. ఒక నిమిషం, x cube plus y cube ని ఏమని రాసుకుంటాను? x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square equal to 0 రాసుకుంటున్నాం. సో హియర్ x plus y is equal to 0 అవుతుంది. అదేవిధంగా x square minus xy plus y square equal to 0 అవుతుంది. We solve this, we have thus the we consider two pairs of equations. What is that? X minus y minus x square equal to 0 and x plus y equal to 0. And one more condition is x minus y minus x square equal to 0, x square minus xy plus y square equal to 0. If we take these two pair of equations, two pairs of equations, we solve this in previous problem. We got the points 0, 0 and root 2, minus 2. We get the values here. And one more point is minus root 2, root 2. We got this three pair of points. For that, first we calculate, we take these 3 points. What is that? 0 0 and root 2 comma minus root 2 and minus root 2 comma root 2. For that, first we take 0 comma 0. Then a is equal to, what happen if we substitute 0 comma 0 in a means what? We know that fx square is equal to what they gave, what we have, 4 minus 12x square. If we substitute x equals 0, we get 4. So here we write a is equal to 4 and b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 4. Just here we write as what is that here? This is a, this is a, and this one is a fx square and b fxy, and this is c fy square. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్టయితే, if we substitute x equals 0, then this will be is equal to 4, and already we have here only constant, that will be minus 4, so there is no change, b is equal to minus 4. If we substitute in the place of y 0, that will be 4, so c is equal to 4. So what happened here? A is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 4 when x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. So that here if we calculate ac minus b square, ac minus b square, what here? ac అంటే 4 into 4 minus b square. B square means what? Minus 4 square. So 16 minus 16, that will be 0. So here ac minus b square is equal to ఏమొచ్చింది? 0. So according to the third case, in previous class we says that ac minus b square is equal to 0, then that this case needs further examination. We want something as consideration. So here we can't say anything here. Now we take the point root 2 comma minus root 2. If we substitute at a, that is x is equal to root 2 and y is equal to minus root 2. Now we take this thing. So here we know a is equal to what? Fx square is the a, that means 4 minus 12x square. So here we take 4 minus 12x square. X square means root 2 whole square. Square ki root cancel. So here 4 minus 12 into 2, that will be 24. So this is equal to minus 20. This is the value of a. Now we calculate the b. B is equal to 4, that is constant, there is no change. And c is equal to 4 minus 12 into what is that? Minus root 2 whole square. So here minus will be plus. Why? Because here we having square, so square ki root ki get cancelled. So here we have 4 minus 12 into 2, 12 2s are 24, so 24, this will be minus 20. So a is equal to minus 20, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to minus 20. So here we have, what is that? A is equal to minus 20, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 20. If we take this thing ac minus b square, what happen here? AC means what? Minus 20 into minus 20 minus b square. Minus b square means minus 4 whole square. So this will be minus into minus, that will be plus. So 420 into 2400 minus 4 square, that will be 16. 400 minus 16, that will be 384. So it is greater than 0, that means it is a positive value here. So we got ac minus b square is positive. Therefore ac minus b square is positive and a is equal to minus 20. So here we know the case, first case, if it is ac minus b square is greater than 0 and a is negative, here we have a is equal to minus 20. Minus 20 means that is negative value, so it has maximum value. So we write here, therefore f of root 2 comma minus root 2 is an extreme value and is in fact a maximum value as a is negative. Now we may similarly see that f of minus root 2 comma root 2 is also maximum value. Why? Because if we substitute these values minus root 2 and root 2 in a, b, c, we get a same value as above. So here what we say here, it is also having in this point, what is that point, minus root 2 comma root 2 is also has a maximum value. So here we says that what is that, 0 comma 0, there is no it has some it wants some consideration. We don't want to, and it is doubtful. We say either maximum or minima, that is at the point 0 comma 0, but at the point of root 2 comma minus root 2 and minus root 2 comma root 2, it will be the maximum value. It has maximum value. Now we see note that is the case which arises when x is equal 0 as well as y equal 0 can be